Your lesson essential question is, how can you tell if a group of objects is even or odd? So again, today we're going to be talking about even and odd numbers, and we'll be looking at groups of objects. Remember last week you learned that even numbers can be shown in two equal groups. Even numbers always end in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So here we have 8. It's been broken up into two groups of 4. Each group is even or equal. So 8 is an even number. Odd numbers cannot be shown in two equal groups. Odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. I have 7 circles here, and I tried to break them up into two equal groups, but one group has 4 and the other group only has 3. So that's an odd number. 7 is an odd number. Take a look at these groups of squares up here. So this group shows 4 squares. I can break this up into two equal groups of 2. Okay, so 4 is even. Here I have 6 squares. And again, this can be broken up into two equal groups of 3. So 6 is even. Coming down here, my red squares, if I try to break this into two equal groups, I end up having 2 and 1. So 3 is an odd number. And then here I have 5. My group ends up having 3 and 2. So 5 is odd. Take a look at these groups and see if you notice any patterns. What do you notice about the shapes that the squares make when they're put together? You probably said that you noticed that down here, the odd numbers are missing something right here. So we have equal sets on the top and bottom of our even numbers. But down here, we don't have equal sets. We're missing a piece right here. If you can count on a number by 2s, the number's even. So here we have 2 squares. As we continue counting by 2s, we have 2, 4, 6, we have 8. So if you can count by 2s, the number is even. Something else to remember is that the sum of doubles facts always equals an even number. So doubles facts are when both addends are exactly the same. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 5 plus 5. So doubles facts are when you double your addend. Okay. A sum, as you remember, is the answer to an addition problem. So your sum is your answer. So the answer of doubles facts, or the sum of doubles facts, always equals an even number. As we increase our doubles facts by 1, you'll notice that we're counting by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So always think of those doubles facts as having an even sum. You're going to be practicing some more with even and odd numbers today.